Hello everyone, and welcome to our reception and Key Stage 1 assembly. Now we've got a lot more home learners at home. I thought it would be really nice to try and keep all together as a community and as a school and continue our lovely assemblies every week. And I will pre-record one for you to watch when it suits you according to your home learning timetable. And I thought this week, because of it's a bit strange that we're not all together again and we're missing each other, I thought it would be lovely to read this very, very special book that I have called All Are Welcome. Pencils sharpened in their case, bells are ringing, let's make haste. School's beginning, dreams to chase. All are welcome here. Does that look familiar? No matter how you start your day, what you wear when you play. Can you see this little girl here? She's praying on her mat. Her prayer mat. Or if you come from far away, all are welcome here. Some of these children come from other countries. In our classroom, safe and sound, fears are lost and hope is found. Raise your hand, we'll go around. All are welcome here. Does that look familiar? Gather now, let's all take part. We'll play music, we'll make art. We'll share stories from the heart. See them all sat on the carpet like you do. All the different types of books to learn about and read about. All are welcome here. Time for lunch. What a spread! A dozen different kinds of bread. Pass it round till we're all fed. See all the different types of bread? Some people like the same thing and some people like to eat different things. But all are welcome here. Open doors, rush outside. We will sing, we will slide. We'll have fun side by side. All are welcome here. We're part of our community. Our strength is our diversity. A shelter from adversity. All are welcome here. We will learn from each other. Special talents we'll uncover. Look how creative they are. Look what they've made. Is there anything that you're interested in? Can you recognise anything? Look, they're all in the hall. I wonder what festival they might be celebrating. Does anybody know? Look. All are welcome here. So much to learn, so much to do. And when the busy day is through, can't wait to come back and start anew. All are welcome here. Head for home to get some rest and greet tomorrow ready and fresh. See, this little girl's getting ready for bed. This is all the children here. our time together is the best. See all the friends together, doing different things that they enjoy. All are welcome here. See them all going to bed in their own way. You have a place here. You have a space here. And it says here, but you can read it with me. All are welcome. You are welcome here. I think they're in the hall, all celebrating together and enjoying each other's company and learning from each other, celebrating their differences and similarities. Here, all the children are saying welcome in their own way. I wonder if you can recognise any different languages. I wonder if you can learn how to say welcome in a different language, and then let me know. You could even take a video and send it in to Tapestry and Reception or on our email for year 1 and 2. That would be lovely to see. Please do that. And one last challenge for you before I go. In that book, there was a word, diversity. I would like you to tell me what you think that means after reading the book. Also, if you don't know, you can research it and maybe write a sentence or a couple of sentences or draw a picture about what you think diversity means. Well, thank you for joining me for our assembly. I look forward to doing another assembly for you next week. Take care, keep working really hard, look after yourself. See you soon. Bye for now.